American Psycho is a novel written by Bret Easton Ellis, first published in 1991. The book is a dark and satirical psychological thriller that explores the disturbing mind of Patrick Bateman, a wealthy and seemingly successful young man working in finance on Wall Street during the late 1980s. Set against the backdrop of consumerism and excess that defined that era, the novel delves into themes of materialism, alienation, and the blurred line between sanity and insanity. The story is narrated by Bateman himself, providing readers with an unsettling first-hand account of his daily life, which involves a facade of affluence, superficial relationships, and an obsession with maintaining a meticulously groomed appearance. However, beneath this veneer of normalcy, Bateman harbors a dark and violent alter ego. He engages in gruesome acts of violence and sadism, primarily targeting women, homeless individuals, and random acquaintances. Ellis vividly describes Bateman's increasingly gruesome and graphic acts, forcing readers to confront the disturbing nature of his thoughts and actions. At times, the narrative blurs the line between reality and delusion, leaving readers uncertain about whether the events are actually occurring or are products of Bateman's deteriorating mental state. As the novel progresses, Bateman's descent into madness becomes more apparent. He struggles to maintain his grasp on reality and grapples with the sense that his violent acts are going unnoticed by those around him. This lack of accountability further fuels his inner turmoil and drives him to even greater extremes. Throughout the book, Ellis critiques the shallow materialism and moral decay of the society in which Bateman lives. The characters around him are equally consumed by their own narcissism, and the excesses of their lifestyles serve as a backdrop to the horrors Bateman perpetrates. The author employs satire to highlight the emptiness and lack of genuine connection in this world of privilege and consumption. American Psycho raises profound questions about the nature of identity, the fragility of sanity, and the thin line between civilized behavior and monstrous instincts. Ellis uses Bateman's narrative to explore the limits of empathy and the potential for cruelty that lurks within humanity. In conclusion, American Psycho is a chilling exploration of a disturbed mind within the context of 1980s yuppie culture. Through its disturbing prose and unsettling portrayal of violence, the novel challenges readers to confront uncomfortable truths about society's capacity for brutality and the seductive allure of superficiality. It remains a thought-provoking and controversial work that invites contemplation of the darkness that can lie beneath the surface of seemingly ordinary lives.
We hope you found our video on American Psycho helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please take a moment to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. You can find a link to the book in the description if you want to explore the topic further. Thank you for watching and connecting with us.